Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to install Microsoft Teams. Let's have a look now. To begin, open your web browser and go to the official Microsoft Teams website. Once you are on the website, look for the Download Teams button. Click on it to initiate the download process. After the download is complete, open the installer file. The installation process will begin. Once installed, open Microsoft Teams. If you already have a Microsoft account associated with your organization, simply sign in with your credentials. If not, you can create a new account. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.